I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Let's go! Get down!
Hey, what's up? Oh, wait. Is it cool if I sanitize your hands real quick? If you don't mind.
Yeah, that's cool. So how you been though, man?
Well, I'm actually gonna have to clean your hands with these wipes for extra bacteria. If you don't mind.
Alright, I don't... Anyway, how you been, man?
Oh, I'm actually gonna have to wash your hands as well. If you don't mind.
Whatever, man. Okay. How you been, man?
Well, my nail technician's gonna have to clean the dirt under your nails. If you don't mind.
Oh God, your nails are disgusting. When's the last time you did a pedicure? Do I take a yellow today? It's striking.
Stop it! I just wanted to know how your day was.
Want me to do your mani?
I'm gonna have to wash your hands.